Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to find mod IDs for Steam Workshop games. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and on the main Steam interface, direct your attention to the top menu bar. You'll see several options there and you'll want to click on Library. This will take you to your game collection where all your installed and owned games are displayed. Now, in the left panel of your library, you'll see a list of all your games. Go ahead and click on any game you want to find mod IDs for in the Steam Workshop. This could be any game that supports Steam Workshop content, whether it's a popular title like Skyrim, Cities Skylines, or any other game with modding support. Selecting the game will open its dedicated page with various information and options. Once you're on the game's page, look for and click on Workshop. This option gives you direct access to all the community-created content available for that specific game. The workshop is where players share their custom modifications, maps, items, and other creative additions that enhance your gaming experience. After clicking Workshop, you'll be taken to the Steam Workshop page for that game. In the left panel, you'll see a variety of filters available in the Steam Workshop. These filters help you narrow down the type of content you're looking for, whether it's by category, tags, popularity, or other criteria. The filters make it easier to find specific types of mods among potentially thousands of available options. Go ahead and click on your preferred variety from these filter options. This will help you sort through the workshop content more efficiently and find exactly what you're looking for. Once you've applied your filter, you'll see the results populated on the main section of the page. From the results displayed, click on your preferred workshop mod. This will open the mod's dedicated page, which contains all the details about that particular modification, including descriptions, screenshots, ratings, and comments from other users. Now, here's where you'll find the mod ID. In the upper left, look at the address bar. Right there in the URL, you'll see a series of numbers following the mod identifier. That's your mod ID. This unique numerical identifier is what you'll need if you're manually subscribing to mods, troubleshooting issues, or sharing specific mods with other players. And there you have it. You've successfully located the mod ID for any Steam Workshop game, making it easier to manage, share, and troubleshoot your favorite mods. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.